All right. Today we are going to figure out how to calculate a payment based on cash flow, mortgage debt, down payment, taxes, insurance, etc. Okay? So we've got the property right here. Now I'm going to go to, since it's an off-market property, I need to figure out the taxes. So I'm going to go to this property is in Utah County. I'm going to go to the Utah County. We can go to the tax assessor. I'm going to Google that, but I don't really like the tax assessor. I like this web access. And I'm going to go down to, let's see here, the tax information. And I'm going to enter the serial number. I don't know the serial number, so I'm probably going to have to go back a step and go to an address search. And we know the address is, let's see here. 605 East, 340 North. I'm going to go 605, 340. I'll just search them all the cities. Okay, this gives me the serial number search. So I can click right here. Also, I could copy. I'm going to copy it, and I can also look at the tax history. So this is a backdoor way in. Wow, I can't believe how economical that is. $901 in 2021. I'm probably going to go higher than that because it seems crazy low for a duplex. But that's okay. The next thing I'm going to go is I'm going to go to the calculator, right? So if I go to FN calculator, I have this app on my phone, by the way, and I think it's phenomenal. So, because I'm showing you this, I'm going to click on the financial calculator. Really similar, just with probably less ads as an app on your phone. I'm going to go to loan calculator. Now right here, I can calculate the loan amount. I can do 200. If it's, I'll do the purchase price. We'll just say 550,000 times 0.75%. And I'll hit OK. Didn't really work, did it? 550,000 times 25% as far as the down payment. Hit OK, so it gives you 412,500. I already called the loan officer. She told me to expect a 4.375. Rates are up. We'll do a 30-year term. Now we kind of heard what they said. It's a little over $900 in tax. I'm just going to raise it because I think taxes are going to go up. I'll say $1,000 a year, even though that's insanely low. And who knows what taxes are going to be? I'll just call it $700 a month. Okay, I'm going to click amortization. It's going to give me my total PITI payment, which is right here. 2842. So if we can go to the math here, so I know rents are, I think, $26.50 a month. You'd be negatively cash flowing. That would not be a wise investment. Let's go back because rates have gone up significantly in the last probably 2 to 3 weeks. This did save it. So if this was 3.75, then you can start thinking about a buy down or different things like that. What would it take to cash flow? That's kind of a break even, which still isn't great. So that is just, now these numbers just work as far as, hey, does this cash flow? How much is going to go into my pocket? Let's say we can raise rents to $1,500 a month. If we can, then rents would be $3,000 a month. Then you would potentially cash flow about $300 a month. That doesn't give you much room for a property manager, repairs, maintenance, that kind of thing. Okay, so that's how to calculate a mortgage payment, quick and easy.